the heart of Cape Town, amidst the rhythm of drums and the sway of colorful costumes, lies a tradition as rich and vibrant as the city itself. Welcome to the Kaapse Klopse carnival. For decades, the Kaapse Klopse has been more than just a carnival. It's a celebration of resilience, culture, and the spirit of the people. From its humble beginnings to the grand spectacles of today, the Kaapse Klopse has woven itself into the fabric of Cape Town's identity. At Long Stadium, the hallowed grounds where the battle unfolds and the Klopse teams become gladiators, showing their musical prowess and artistic flair. But beyond the dazzling performance and joyful festivities lies a deeper truth. The Kaapse Klopse Carnival is a testament to how music transcends boundaries, uniting people from all walks of life. It's a symphony of cultures, a celebration of diversity, and a reminder that no matter our difference, music has the power to bring us all together. So, as the beat of the drums echoes through the streets and the color dance in harmony, let us embrace the legacy of the Kaapse Klopse Carnival, where the spirit of music continues to shape us all. Thank you very much for your support in this video, and I hope we chat soon. Goodbye.